Good morning. Welcome to Kratos BI. My name is Chris Wagner, and today we're going to be talking about custom branding. Before we get to any of that, make sure you go down, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you like it, I appreciate it, turn on that little alarm bell so you get notifications of any new content that I publish. We're working on some live stream content that I'm going to be starting out hopefully soon. Cross fingers we can get that to work. But we'll continue to have videos that will go live. So, but without any further ado, let's go on over to the desktop. All right, so I logged in this morning and I was actually going to make another video on something completely different when I logged into my Power BI experience, and I kind of saw something that jumped out at me. That was that I have not done any inside of my own personal Power BI tenant. I haven't set up my own corporate branding. It's a big faux pas. This is one of those things that you should be doing if you have any organization. You should go in and take the time to do. It's super easy to do. This was announced last August. Nikhil has a blog post out here that kind of outlines all the functionality, all the capabilities that you can do in here. But frankly, it's super easy. So I'm just going to run through how you can do this yourselves. So first things first. We go up to our little ellipses here. We click on settings and we go over to admin portal. Okay. Now, this is only for you Power BI admins out there. If you're not, this is something get on your admins to do. Super easy, as you're going to see. I go down and I click on custom branding, and I've got three little things that I get to do. Number one is I get to upload my logo, which I've got. So I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to scroll down until I find my logos file. I'm going to click on open. I get to change my color. I've got my color in my file over here. Dun, dun, dun. Copy, come over here, paste, hit enter. And then the biggest one we had was the cover image. Now, what I initially wanted to do was I was just going to use my little banner image. Oh, not that banner one. I was going to use my Kratos BI logo thing here. I really like this guy. I think this looks sharp. I was going to use this one, but when I went in and preview, and this is important for you to preview, I noticed one thing here. So it's got this "Good morning, Chris" or "Good afternoon," right? This little like welcome is going to be in a white font. So if anything you have, you're going to want to do something dark in the background, right? So I realized, okay, I still want to use this logo, but I don't want to have it, because this looks like garbage, right? So I went over to Pixels. Thank you, Discover EI, for your tip on Pixels. And I just went in and I put technology dark. And I started to scroll around. I really like this one again, because there are going to be white letters in there. I realized that wasn't going to be good. I kind of like this guy. Kind of like these, but this is the one that I'm like, okay, I like this guy. It's super great. So I downloaded it. No, there are some kind of notes on this one before I jump into it. If you look over here and go back, it has some recommendations. 1 meg or some limitations, right? It needs to be a JPEG or PNG, 1 meg or smaller, and at least 1920 by 160. Okay, so I know I need to get to 120 pixels wide and at least 160 tall. So this image is not going to be quite right. It's a full screen image here, right? So I know I'm going to be doing some Photoshop work with this. Hop over to Photoshop, do my edits, get it down to what I like, and then save this off as a banner. This allows me to have a nice image inside there, as well as the logo that I wanted to have, right? So once I got that all saved out there, went back into Kratos BI, deleted this guy, and I uploaded that banner image that I was kind of showing you. So now we can take a look at this. I can preview it, and here we go. Now I've got my Kratos BI logo. I've got my color theme in here, and I've got my custom branding for my header here. This looks pretty sharp. I'm down. I like this. This is great. So I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to agree to publish my changes. It's going to say publish. Now the next time, no, if you notice, it reverted back to the regular branding. But the next time I hit refresh on this guy, ba-da-dow, now I have my corporate branding in place. So just a quick little video on how you can add in corporate branding if you're a Power BI tenant admin. If you're not a Power BI tenant admin, get this information together. The logo, the color you think is appropriate, and the top banner bar, send that over to your admin. Help them out and say, hey, this is how we should set this stuff up. Because if you're using just the default stuff, nuts to that, get on to the, your corporate branding in place on there. It makes it look really sharp. As always, thank you everybody for tuning in. Again, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, turn that little alarm bell if you want to get notified when stuff comes out. If you like this work, head over to kratosbi.com, buy me a coffee. I'll send you a letter. Thank you for everything. And I got more stickers that came in to help people out. I got the brand new I Love Power BI. I got the magic I Love Power BI, the classic yellow Power BI stickers. Vincent Van Gogh, he really condones all of these. I do have a ton of different affiliate links down there. If you want to order your own stickers, go out to that Sticker Mule thing. Or if you like any of the Data God stuff, I have a link. I use an artist on Fiverr. Fiverr's an excellent service for getting digital content created for you. You can find good artists that will work with you on how to do some stuff. I'm going to put together a video on how to use Fiverr later. And wait, I buried the lead. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment on one of my videos. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away not one, not two, but 3 Data God t-shirts. These are the Data God t-shirts I got. Got tons of them out on my merch store. Go out, check it out. If you don't want to wait and not be one of those 3 lucky winners, feel free to order a Data God t-shirt for yourself. All proceeds go to support the channel, help me continue to build out the stuff. Really hoping to get a new video card sometime soon, so the more you click on these things, the better. So thank you guys very much. Peace.